Welcome back to the vlog. Yo, this is J New Styles 917, man. Look like gotta get this oil change quick though. I haven't done the video for a while for y'all guys though, so I thought I'll start setting up though. About to get this car wash and about to get this oil put in right here. I was gonna wait though, but sound like I'm getting the good shit today.
Yeah, baby.
You hooked me up, right, with the wash?
Yeah.
Well, let him do it, because you know how to do it.
I gotta change the bumper. So I gotta get all that, put all in there. But it's cheap though. It's $60 though. But then I might gotta do a motor flush, because what happens is that when I got the car, I never told y'all about this though. It was sitting there for like quite some time though, so I guess after this flush should be alright. Look at that. Synthetic. So I usually get what's that 5W20. That's what they recommend, but I guess I need the next grade though, cause gotta renew this registration, which I was trying to do today though, but the reason why I wasn't able to do it because it wasn't on file for some reason. So I'm gonna have them redo it, the inspection, also get that check engine light due to the bad oil and not even having enough oil in there. So after I do that, then I'm gonna get the registration though. So time is limited for me right now, so I gotta hurry up and get this done. So got like 2 more bottles left. I drive for a little bit though, so I should be able to get that check engine light, have them do the inspection, and then other than that I should be good. Then I could redo the registration. I'll be good for like another 2 years though. But yeah, hopefully I could keep that. Then I could get the Z afterwards, the 370Z. So that's what I'm looking at next, guys. But the RSX still is going to be around, but you still will see this though. And that's just about it. After that, no more car shopping. I'm gonna take it easy with the cars and chill though. But you will see other whips though. You will see me in other whips as well too though. But got like 2 more bottles though. But I'll be back after this. So. Yeah, so now that part is done, I just gotta get this car washing going on, and that is just about it. And then in the process of that happening, gotta wait for this check engine light to come off, and soon when that goes off, then that's when I gotta get the inspection done again. So I could redo the registration. It's a pain in the super duper ass. It's crazy. Very crazy. So I'm getting ready to move up right now. Yep. About to get this sucker washed. Joints, everybody getting their joints washed, whatever. Small video for you guys though, cause I know I ain't put up something out for like, whole week right here, man. Can't be lacking on material. But something light. So yeah, so after I finish, going through here, give y'all the final product though. Word. Alright, cool, we getting the wipe down. Everything gets wiped down, bruh. I will show y'all the final product of how it's gonna look afterwards. But yeah, I'm gonna wait till I get to the block, and then I'm gonna show y'all how that looks though. But I'll be back though. Be back. Alright. Finally got some parking. Let me leave these lights on real quick so you can see everything. Alright. Got a quick vac. professional job because he kind of like just went over things mad quick. That's done. That's done. Yeah, let me just turn these lights off. Just don't want to get too much attention. And now to show you the outside. Shit, I didn't even see. The thing about it is that I didn't even look at the outside. Well, here we go. That's done. Wash. So that's alright. Still gotta change these lights though. So I'll give it like a quick view before I go up and call it a night. Only thing I'm missing is the wing. That'll be like the only thing I add is just that motor mount to this joint. I ain't gonna put too much on this. Until this car. Once the check engine light goes off, then I can definitely do the the inspection thing over again, and then after that's done, then I can take care the registration process. The DMV got some new machine there now, so I could just do that 1, 2, 3, and that's just about it. So other than that, like I said, you like the stuff and you like the content that I'm putting out there, vacations, new destinations, but not strange conversations, hit that like button and also subscribe, and I'll be seeing you next video.